Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted task in Asana. So let's have a look now. At first open Asana and navigate to your project. Then click on the Charts button. Then after Advanced Charts, scroll down and select Add Filter. Choose More and select Delete it from the menu. Click on Delete, then Charts. Okay, there you go. Here is the list for deleted tasks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.